Hello everyone, this is Voltage Development, and welcome back to Unity. Well, to be fair, I only showed this off in like an update video to show you what I've been working on, but welcome back to a video in which I showcase Unity. So, yes guys, this engine is Unity. I would show you the engine in like a brand new sort of fresh Unity project thing, but for now I want to show you what I've actually been working on as like a test project thing. I'm not actually making a game yet, but I'm learning things so I can, actually get into proper game making process. And plus I'm using OBS. It's very weird for me to use OBS when using Unity because this is a very demanding engine, much like Unreal Engine, which they rely on your CPU power. And yeah, I've got a lot of CPU power, but not much from my Unity for some reason. And because I'm using OBS, I don't know if it's gonna lag or whatever, because like normally people would use OBS to record their screen easily because it's free and it's easy and stuff like that. But bear in mind, this is probably going to be the first time you've had this. I've had this computer laptop for about 5 years now, and I have not upgraded since. So I'm basically making do with what I have to create things, and hopefully I get enough like funds to upgrade my PC so I can actually make games, proper games for anyone that wants to play. But for now, I just want to like show off what I've got. So let's go ahead and let's play my game. Okay, so now we're inside of the game. That took longer than I expected. I'm not sure why. Probably because I am recording. But as you can see, we are inside of our first-person world. We can walk, and we've got footstep sounds as well. And you've noticed immediately that I've got a run meter at the bottom. So if we start running, we can actually run, and we've got a meter that detects like the amount of run stamina that we have. And if it goes down to the bottom, then we run out of run. But if I stop running, like as in if I let go of shift, it then starts filling back up the meter. If I press shift again, it will start going back down. And if I let go, it will start filling up the meter. So that is a cool thing that I've created. And also, we've got a huge, well, not really huge, but we've got a block here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pick it up. Just press the left mouse button, and we have got the object. Now, this is what you would like to call like Amnesia style gameplay, or like Half-Life style gameplay or something. So yeah, we've got that, and let's just throw it. I meant throw it over there. I think you can throw it with right click as well. Okay, maybe you can't. Also, whilst we are holding this object, if I hold down R, we can actually rotate it with the mouse. So our mouse look is currently disabled, but we can rotate this, and if I stop holding R, I can now rotate my character again. And that's a bit weird. Not sure what's happening there. But also, if we go ahead and go towards this flashlight, we get this hand icon. This is simply just a crosshair to say that this is interactable, of course. Now let's just pick it up, and we have picked up the flashlight. We've also got battery life and the meter for the battery life. So you know what? Let's just press F. We've got a flashlight sound, and the battery life is draining. So let's just, wait until it fully drains. So as you can see, the battery life fully drained, and because the battery life was completely gone, our flashlight went down. And then well, I would have thought that I could actually bring up the flashlight when the meter was full and not like half full or something. But yeah, basically I've created an animation where it looks like we are putting our flashlight away and putting our flashlight up as well. So I've created that animation, and also let's go towards this door. So we can't click on it, we can't like see if it's interactable or anything. So let's go towards this key. This is interactable, so let's just pick it up. We don't have any sounds to like, say that we've picked up something. But if we go towards the door now, we've got a little key icon to say that we can actually unlock the door. Now let's unlock it. We don't have a sound for unlocking yet, but now we can click to open up the door. There we go. Now, we can't click to close the door, but what we can do is we can just go backwards and it will close by itself. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and look. Actually, before we do anything, I want to show you one more thing. So we are back inside of the game. Now, if I press tab, we can see lovely camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, oh, and close. So now, if we go to camera 1, we can we can see our character. Oh, that's funny. If we go to camera 2, we can see our character as well, but this is in a different camera spot. Now if we go to camera 3, we're basically on the other side of that door. Now if we close, we go back to our camera. So that's another neat feature that I have actually put in. Now, where are all of these scripts located? These scripts are located in assets and in this little folder called scripts. And look at how many scripts I have. I've literally got camera system, flashlight interact. Let's just open up one of them, shall we? Let's open up, let's say, door interaction. So here we have our lovely door interaction script. So we're going to go through this in tutorials in the future, but yeah, this is all of the scripts that I have created, and it's been bonkers going through all of this, but it has been absolutely worth it. Like, once you learn how to do all of this, like, you are basically on your way to literally making your first ever game. Like, I'm not even kidding here. If you learn all of this, yeah, you could make your first game, make your first horror game, first person game. I'm not really into sort of like RPG games or third person games. If I want to like create a game, I'd rather create like a first person game because it just feels so much easier to do, and plus like I love working in first person stuff and stuff that is in your eyes rather than looking over someone's shoulder or just being in a eagle-eyed view. I just love first-person stuff. It just feels so much better. So I'm using something called Visual Studio Code. I would use Visual Studio, the actual software or program itself, but it takes so long to open up. So I found Visual Studio Code to be quicker and easier. And the thing that I kind of find troubling about Visual Studio Code is if I go into the task manager, you don't see this in literally any tutorial in like under the sun. We see Visual Studio Code in the task manager. If we open it up, we see OmniSharp. Now, if any of you don't know what OmniSharp is, it allows the IDE, the Independent Development Environment, to have this thing called IntelliSense. And what IntelliSense is, let's just give you an example. So, let's just say, right here, I'm going to put a piece of code, and we're going to put on cam, why is this not doing anything? Okay, fine. We're going to put in hand dot, wait, what? Why is this not, wait, hand dot, okay, this is weird. It should actually be, like, putting it in for us, unless because we've already put it in. Whoa. Okay, why is it... Is it because it's lagging or something? Why is... That is so weird. Right, so let's just, put in hand, and we've got all of this stuff. Now, this stuff is, like, sort of autocorrect stuff. And we can just do set active and then false, stuff like that, and there you go. It's very, very what's the word? It's very complicated because I'm recording at the moment, and it would probably be more simpler if I wasn't recording. But this is the only recording thing that I have left, so you're gonna have to bear with me for this. But let's just get rid of that now because we don't actually need that. But yeah, IntelliSense is basically just autocorrectness in writing code. It shows up as you type it. It's kind of what you would get in Game Maker Studio as well. So we will be going through this in the in another Unity video, but that's basically it of what I wanted to show you in Unity. Hope you're all excited because I am, and hopefully it actually works the next time I actually use Unity to actually give you tutorials with. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you are all excited because I very much am, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody.